Hi friends, today we are going to read Wet World. A wet world waited when I woke up this morning. How's this friend feeling? Maybe surprised, kind of scared, unsure? Wet windows, wet trees, wet leaves, wet grass, wet street, wet rooftops, wet world. What's happening outside? Why is it all wet? It's raining, you're right. A warm breakfast waited when I went down the stairs. Warm toast, warm cereal, warm cocoa, warm tummy. Look at that breakfast. Looks yummy. A stiff raincoat slipped on my stiff arms. Shiny high boots over my shiny toes. Hat, coat, boots, out to the wet world. Where do you think she's going? I don't know. Let's find out. I walked on the wet world. Wet ground pulls my boots. Wet sidewalk splashes my boots. Wet rain sprinkles my hat. Wet rain drips down my coat. Have you guys ever opened your mouth and had rain come in? It's free water. Wet cars swish down my road. Windshield wipers wipe the wet. Whoosh, 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 wishing away the wet. Where is she going? What kind of car is this? It's a school bus, you're right. Wet puddles cover my wet boots. Dry feet in wet boots. Dry arms in wet coat. Dry head in wet hat. Dry me. Wet world. She's staying dry because she's wearing all the right stuff in the rain. A warm world waited when I went home. Warm mother, warm father, warm stove. A wet world waited outside my window. A warm bed waited inside my room. How many pets does she have in this picture? You're right. 1, 2. A warm kiss kissed me, and now I'm in bed. I wonder what world will wait in the morning. Good night, wet world. Do you know what these are? Umbrellas. Ding, ding, ding. Can you count with me how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 umbrellas. What's your favorite color? Thanks for reading with me, friends, and I hope to see you soon. Stay dry and take care. Mwah!